Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty products, explored, reviewed, and tested, so you don't have to wonder if it's worth your time. If you're on the hunt for a nourishing, hydrating moisturizer that checks all the boxes, stay tuned. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Medline Remedy Phytoplex Nourishing Skin Cream. This product promises to balance and restore your skin's natural moisture without leaving any greasy residue. But does it really deliver on that? Keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our honest reviews. This 4 Flat Odds moisturizer comes in a pack of 2, and its formula is all about natural hydration. It's free from mineral oil and petrochemicals, meaning it's breathable and won't clog your pores. The key ingredients include Safflower Oleosomes and Carrageenan, which are natural emollients that help lock in moisture and keep your skin soft. On top of that, it's enriched with Phytoplex, an ingredient blend packed with botanicals and essential fatty acids designed to restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. I've had the chance to use this moisturizer both in my morning routine and as an evening treatment. And here's what I found. The texture is lightweight and creamy. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any residue behind, which is a big win for anyone who hates that heavy, sticky feeling that some moisturizers can leave. It feels soothing and hydrating right after application, which is great if you've got dry or sensitive skin like me. I tried this during a few colder days when my skin tends to get drier than usual. I was really impressed by how well it locked in moisture. I didn't feel like I had to reapply it throughout the day, which is often the case with some moisturizers that don't quite hold up against winter conditions. The ingredients are gentle, so it's suitable for anyone looking for a more natural option without sacrificing performance. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the formula is soothing and effective at hydrating without feeling heavy. I love that it's free from mineral oil and other petrochemicals, and the natural botanicals definitely set it apart from other products that rely on more synthetic ingredients. It's a solid option for those with sensitive skin or anyone trying to reduce their exposure to harsh chemicals. On the flip side, some may find it a bit too simple if you're used to high-powered moisturizers with tons of active ingredients like acids or retinoids. If you're looking for something more advanced, this may not be the go-to option. The lack of fragrance might be a pro for some, but if you're someone who loves a scented skincare experience, you might miss that sensory pleasure. When it comes to value for money, this product is priced reasonably. The pack of 2 means you're getting a good amount of product for your buck, especially considering the quality of the ingredients. Given its performance, I think it's a fair price for a moisturizer that delivers on its promises without all the unnecessary additives. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are options out there that offer basic hydration without all the added botanicals. But for those looking for a moisturizer with a cleaner, more natural ingredient list that actually performs, this is a solid choice. The packaging is sturdy with a secure cap that makes it easy to dispense just the right amount of product, so there's no mess or waste. I also like that it comes in a 2-pack, which makes it feel like you're getting more value out of the purchase. The product feels premium in its construction, and it's clearly designed with practicality in mind. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, as far as customer support goes, Medline has a good reputation for assisting their customers promptly and professionally. They take the time to address any issues and ensure that their products meet the highest standards of quality. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Did it work as well for you as it did for me? In conclusion, the Medline Remedy Phytoplex Nourishing Skin Cream is a great option for those looking for a simple, effective moisturizer that doesn't rely on harsh chemicals. It's perfect for sensitive or dry skin and provides hydration without leaving a greasy residue. Whether you're looking for something to use daily or need a reliable cream for the winter months, this one might be worth trying out. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.